Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn xylophone music. First, let's get acquainted with your instrument. Hold the mallets loosely but firmly, using a fulcrum point between your thumb and index finger. Strike the center of the bars for the best tone. The bars are arranged like a piano keyboard, with lower notes on the left and higher notes on the right. Start by playing a simple C major scale, striking each bar once. Next, we will dive into reading music. Xylophone music is typically written on a grand staff, similar to piano music. Each line and space represents a specific note, which corresponds to a bar on your instrument. Begin by identifying middle C and then practice reading simple melodies. Focus on understanding the duration of notes, such as whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes, to develop your rhythmic accuracy. Consistent practice is key to mastering the xylophone. Aim for at least 15 to 30 minutes of focused practice every day. Utilize a metronome to ensure your rhythm is steady and accurate. Start slowly and gradually increase the tempo. Recording yourself playing can provide valuable insight, allowing you to objectively hear your progress and pinpoint areas needing more attention. This self-assessment is a powerful learning tool. As you progress, consider exploring different mallet types. Hard rubber mallets produce a bright, articulate sound, while softer yarn mallets offer a warmer tone. Begin learning two-mallet techniques for more intricate passages, then gradually introduce four-mallet playing for advanced repertoire. Focus on dynamics, varying your strike force to create loud and soft passages, adding expressive musicality to your performances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.